All right, we just checked into, is it Tres Lagunas?
Yeah.
There was a leak in the water, so they had to put the girls in one and the boys in another. So we're gonna have boys' night and girls' night. And we just heard howler monkeys.
Whoa!
And there are some crocodiles in the lagoon, so we probably won't be swimming. We walked around the grounds of Tres Lagunas after breakfast in the morning. The surroundings were beautiful and peaceful, but we had to get on the road to Frontera Corazao, which was about 45 minutes to where we caught a boat to see the ruins. All right, we just stopped for breakfast right before we're getting on our boat to go see the ruins, and it was pretty good prices, 80 to 120 pesos each. Food is good. And now we're about to get on the boat for our Indiana Jones-like excursion.
Yep.
All right, so we just got our tickets to Yaxchilan ruins. I don't know if I pronounced that correct. It was 1,500 pesos for our whole family to get a boat, about a 45-minute boat ride there, explore the ruins for 2 hours, and then a 45-minute boat ride back. And it's about 80 pesos per person to get into the ruins. Here we go. Mexico, Guatemala. We just got here to the ruins. We saw one crocodile on the way here. Now we're heading up the stairs. We have 2 hours to explore. And on the ceiling of one of these archways, we found some historical artwork. Really cool. That was very cool. We almost had the whole place to ourselves. Beautiful ruins, but a lot of stairs, very high, steep stairs. So we are very tired. It's gonna be a nice boat ride back, but definitely worth the trip. After exploring the ruins, we made a 3-hour drive to our next stop in Palenque. Just got to our Hotel Villa Quinha. It was about 3 hours from the ruins, and we had to get 2 rooms, one for the boys, one for the girls. Here it is. Simple room, 2 double beds with a desk, a TV, and your own sink, bathroom, and shower. We had a slight change of plans. We decided to stay here one more night because we were supposed to take the road from Palenque to Los Cristobal, but it's very dangerous. There are a lot of people that set up roadblocks. Even we've read on Facebook groups that they have paddles with spikes, and they make you pay money in order just to cross the road. After receiving a warning from a hotel about the dangers of the road from Palenque to San Cristobal, we decided to take a day trip to Cascada Agua Azul and then back to check out the town of Palenque. Got to Agua Azul, and there's a lot of shops and restaurants. It's very touristy here, especially compared to Yaxchilan waterfalls. But we're about to find a trail and walk up to see how beautiful this thing is. You can feel the mist coming off the waterfall. It feels nice and cool. go. About to go swimming in the waterfall. It's a little cold. Fresh empanadas. 5 empanadas for 40 pesos or $2. So we just got 15 empanadas for the family and 120 pesos, about $6. Be sure to check out our next episode where we explore the town of Palenque and one of my favorite, San Cristobal.